Everyone has heard this idea. Some people believe it's already happening. Others believe it's just around the corner. Factories with no people, no workers, no technicians, no human involvement at all. Just machines, running perfectly, forever, online. This idea feels inevitable. Videos show robots assembling products with precision. AI headlines promise full automation. Comment sections declare that humans are already obsolete. But here's the truth no viral video explains. A fully human-free factory is not the future. And in many industries, it's not even desirable. Today, we're exposing one of the biggest industrial myths of the modern age, the belief that factories can run without humans. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why removing people from factories doesn't create perfection. It creates fragility. Let's expose the myth. The internet loves extremes. Either factories are old and inefficient, or they're imagined as fully automated sci-fi systems, where humans are unnecessary. There is rarely a middle ground. So when people see robotic arms welding, assembling, sorting, and packaging, the conclusion feels obvious. If machines can do this, why are people still there? It's a fair question, but it's also the wrong one. Because factories are not built around what machines can do. They are built around what can go wrong. Let's start with the first illusion. The belief that automation equals independence. Machines don't operate alone. They operate inside environments, and environments are unpredictable. Materials change, temperatures fluctuate, humidity affects tolerances, power quality varies, suppliers deliver inconsistently, machines don't adapt instinctively, humans do. That's why humans are still there. Here's something you almost never see in viral factory videos. The moments between perfection, the jams. The misfeeds, the sensor errors, the alignment issues, the unexpected material defects. These moments are invisible online because they ruin the fantasy. But in real factories, they happen constantly. And when they do, someone has to decide what to do next. That someone is not a robot. Let's talk about sensors, the backbone of automation. Sensors are amazing, but they are not intelligent. They measure what they are programmed to measure, and nothing else. If a defect doesn't fall within expected parameters, the system may not even see it. A human can notice a strange sound, a subtle vibration, a visual irregularity, a pattern forming over time. These things don't exist in code. They exist in experience. Factories rely on humans not because machines are weak, but because reality is messy. Now let's address a common assumption. AI can handle it. AI doesn't eliminate humans. It changes where humans are needed. AI systems still require training, monitoring, interpretation, correction. AI makes mistakes silently. Humans catch them loudly. That difference matters. Let's pause and ask you something. Have you ever thought, at this rate, factories won't need people at all? If yes, comment "I thought this," because almost everyone has. And that belief comes from a very specific misunderstanding. Automation works best in controlled repetition. Same task, same conditions, same inputs. Factories don't operate like that. They operate across product, Variations, supplier differences, market changes, equipment aging, every deviation adds complexity. And complexity demands judgment. Machines follow rules. Humans interpret context. That's the gap automation can't close. Now let's expose a critical risk of human-free factories: brittleness. A fully automated system is incredibly efficient until it isn't. When something unexpected happens, the system stops, errors cascade, production halts, and without humans on site, recovery slows dramatically. Factories design systems with human intervention points on purpose, not because they failed to automate, but because resilience matters more than perfection. Let's talk about maintenance, the quiet backbone of industry. Machines don't maintain themselves. They require inspection, adjustment, preventive action. Predictive maintenance helps, but it doesn't replace human judgment. A technician doesn't just replace parts. They understand why wear occurred. That insight prevents future failure. Remove humans, and you remove learning. Factories that stop learning don't survive. Now let's expose the cost illusion. People assume automation is cheaper. In reality, development costs are massive. Downtime costs increase. Specialized failures require rare expertise. Recovery time grows. A human-free factory may run cheaper on a perfect day, but factories aren't built for perfect days. They're built for bad ones. Here's something that surprises many people. Some of the most advanced factories in the world intentionally keep humans involved, even when automation is possible. Why? Because humans provide flexibility, creativity, judgment, accountability. Machines execute. Humans decide, and decisions shape outcomes. Let's talk about accountability. When a machine fails, who is responsible? Someone must interpret whether the output is acceptable, whether the deviation matters, whether to stop production. Fully automated systems struggle with gray areas. Factories live in gray areas. Now comes the myth's most dangerous consequence. When people believe factories don't need humans, they assume design doesn't need humility. But the strongest industrial systems are humble. They expect failure. They plan for mistakes. They leave room for intervention. Human presence is not inefficiency. It's insurance. Here's the twist most people never hear. The future of factories is not no humans. It's better collaboration between humans and machines. Machines handle repetition, precision. Endurance, humans handle exceptions, judgment, improvement. That balance is what keeps factories alive. Let's involve you again. Do you think factories will ever truly run without people? Or will humans always remain part of the system? Tell us what you think in the comments. There's no wrong answer, but the discussion matters. The internet loves the idea of flawless automation, but real factories don't chase flawless. They chase resilient. And resilient systems always leave space for human intelligence. Here's the final truth. Factories don't keep humans because they failed to remove them. They keep humans because removing them makes the system weaker. The most advanced factories in the world are not empty. They are balanced. This is Industrial Myths Exposed. And if you thought factories were racing toward human-free perfection, now you know why that belief doesn't survive the real world.